It is indeed a great honor and a very rare privilege for me and the people of Mizoram to felicitate a fighter who has made a history as the first Southeast Asian-born UFC champion, Joshua Fong, the Fearless. Friends, allow me to take this occasion to reiterate that the British government had given us a wrong name and called us Lusei in Mizoram, Ciin in Myanmar, and Kuki in Manipur. These are not our generic name. I repeat, these are not our generic name. In spite of the British policy of divide and rule, today, a common nomenclature with a common language is being born, taking its own shape, its natural course. We belong to one race, one family, and one blood is running through our veins. When Joshua Van stepped into the octagon, he carried that connection with him. And tonight, this movement feels personal for all of us who have gathered together here. A record of 17 wins, 9 by knockout, and the highest strike output in the flyweight division. Those are the stats. But your impact goes beyond numbers. You saw our youth, the talent, grit and courage from the corner of the world can stand on the global stage and compete with the best. You have fought at the highest level with heart, with endurance, and with dignity. Even more, you have used your platform to speak for your people. That takes a different kind of courage, the kind the Mizos understand and respect. As myself being the one who had been honored with the 7th Dan black belt by Mr. Lee Dong-shuk, President of World Pro Taekwondo Headquarters Federation, I deeply respect the discipline, sacrifice, and mental strength it takes to reach to the top of the world. Many thanks to Mr. Sarif Bapu, Senior Vice President, Asian Mixed Martial Arts Federation, who, on behalf of the International MMA Federation, honor me with one more black belt tonight. I am really and deeply indebted and obliged. On behalf of the people of Mizoram, I felicitate you, Mr. Fearless. You have made us proud. You remind our ngiat to dream big, train hard, and never be afraid to take the fight to the world. You have become a trailblazer who opened the door wide for the next generations to come. May Mizoram continue to be your second home. We stand firmly with you for the next round, for the next challenge, and of course, for the next many more victories. God bless you. Thank you.